Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to sign in to your Amazon account. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply type amazon.com and hit on enter right now. Well, this right here is the homepage of Amazon, and right now, I just want to log in. On the navbar, right next to the language button, you'll see something like Hello, Sign In. Hover over it right now. And right here, you can see something like Sign In. In case you want to create a new account, just below it is a button that says Start Here. But right now, let's just try to sign in. I'm gonna click on the button right here. Then initially, what you guys need to do is simply enter your email address or mobile phone number. I'm gonna enter it right now. And once you've entered it, simply hit on Continue. Well, as you can see, I have already entered my password. In case you have not, do enter it right now. But do note, in case you forgot your password, you can click on this Forgot Your Password button right here and follow the prompts in order to regain access to your account. Once everything's okay, simply hit on Sign In. And guys, that's it. As you can see, I have successfully signed in to my Amazon account. That's the gist of it, guys. That's how you sign in to Amazon. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time. Thank you.